WWZA Ransomware is yet another malware strain that's part of the prolific Stop Djvu ransomware family. Like other similar infections, this version locks target files and then demands a ransom fee to restore file access. Malicious programs like WWZA Ransomware can be distributed via software bundles. So if you tend to download freeware or pirated apps via torrent or cracked software sites, you may end up installing similar threats. WWZA Ransomware locks most of the popular file types, including photos, music, documents, and videos. During the encryption process, the ransomware adds the .wwza extension to the affected files and leaves a ransom note on the desktop and in every folder with encrypted files. When WWZA ransomware is downloaded and installed, it employs the AES encryption algorithm to lock up target files. More often than not, information stealers like Vidar and Zeus are deployed alongside ransomware, allowing the hackers access to sensitive information before encryption. It is possible that WWZA ransomware does this as well. Once the encryption is complete, the ransomware demands a ransom in exchange for a decryption key. The key costs $980, but the ransomware's operators will offer a 50% discount and only charge $490 if the victim contacts them within 72 hours. The hackers can be contacted at support@freshmail.top and data restore help at airmail.cc. We discourage establishing contact with them, however, as there's no guarantee that they'll provide decryption tools after you pay them or even communicate. It's important to note that the ransomware does not just encrypt data, it may also attempt to delete shadow copies of files stored on your computer, making recovery nearly impossible. It is highly recommended that you do not attempt to pay a ransom for a decryption key, as this will not guarantee you get access back to the files. So just focus on methods that'll help you restore your data and protect your system from similar threats in the future. How do I deal with the WWZA ransomware infection? To protect yourself from the WWZA ransomware attack, you should practice safe web browsing habits like refraining from opening email attachments from unknown senders and downloading programs from unreliable sources. You should also have a reputable malware remediation tool installed on your computer. This way, you can regularly scan for elements associated with this ransomware and other malware. Also, to reduce the damage of a future attack, please consider backing up files on an external hard drive or cloud storage. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.